Hey, I'm Ty with WTI, and this is my Active Hair Science Renew Healing Conditioner. I started using this conditioner because I am trying to nurse my hair back to health and I want healthy hair again. So I discovered this Active Hair Science Renew Healing Conditioner. I love that it is moisturizing my hair when I use it. I love the consistency of this conditioner. It really gets into my head and my scalp and really makes my hair feel healthy. And I love the ingredients. I love that it has things like aloe vera in it that will really help with my hair retaining the moisture that it loses often because I do have dry hair. So if you are looking for a way to get healthier hair, more moisturized hair, then I highly recommend that you give this conditioner a try. And that's my point of view.